Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Avas Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've been on YouTube. This month will be 1 year since I'm on YouTube, but I've actually only started to giving it like a lot of interest in April when it was Easter. So this video, as you can tell from the title, will be a Q&A and also about you getting to know me and also an intro as to what Avas Luxury for Less is. So without further ado, let's go straight to the questions, and then also I can give you a little bit more info about what Avas Luxury for Less is as well. So if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my iPad and some of the questions. I won't answer all of them because we don't have so much time, but I'll answer most as possible that I can, and then I can relate and then also explain about Avas Luxury for Less. And then also just stay to the end because I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you about my new YouTube channel which is coming up. This channel will be about me, my kids, and my partner, of course. I've been thinking about it for a while, but I haven't really got into it. But anyway, let's go straight to the questions. So the first question is, what is your name and your age? My right name is Avanita Erica Peart. I am 37 years old. My grandmother gave me my first name and my dad gave me my middle name. The Peart is quite widely known. Since I came to England, I realized there's so many Pearts here in not just London, but also in a place called Bromley. Yeah, Kent. So much. And every time the postman always seems to be like, oh, are you related to this person? And I'm like, no. But, you know, I heard the Pearts are quite strong in in Kent. Yeah, and then also, I'm sure if everybody's aware, the Peart family in Manchester or Kingston, they're quite widely. So, yeah, that's just my name. And that's how I got my first and second name. The next question is, do you eat meat? I do eat meat. I don't like all kind of meat. There are certain meats that I don't like. Beef, I will have some beef if I am feeling for it. I just don't eat beef because, you know, it's beef and I'm thinking, oh, I'll have it. No, I have to feel for it because I don't really like that string. That shouldn't be a word, but yeah, I don't like the stringiness of the beef. I don't really like it because it tends to stick in my teeth, and I do have lots of space between my teeth and I don't like it. What is your birthday? Ooh, I'm a Gemini. Gemini, I'm the 3rd of June. And I don't even need to tell the year I was born. You can just check from when I told you I'm 37. You can just check, yeah? What's your favorite color? Wow, this is a hard one. I like green. I don't have a lot of green in this country, but I do like green. Orange is one of my favorite color, and brown. Yes, so I would rather say brown, but recently I've been loving the pink. I don't know what is it, but I'm loving pink so much. And it says, what's your lucky number? 23. My dad won the lottery when I was I think 8 or 9 in Jamaica. I think it was the first couple of weeks when the lottery came out in Jamaica, and my dad won it. Yeah, and his lucky number, he asked me, I don't know if, I'm sure he asked me and my sisters to give him a number, and I told him 23. And my sister's number that they gave as well, it compiled to where he won the lottery. So my favorite number is 23. Do you have pets? No, I don't. I did have pets when I was a little girl growing up. I did have a dog. So I'm from 2 parishes in Jamaica. My dad is from Manchester, Comfort, shout out, woohoo! And my mom is from Clarendon, yeah, Maypen. And so when I was living with my dad and my mom at my dad's, I used to have a dog. We call him Blackie. Oh my God, it was such a good dog. And then he died. I was so heartbroken. When I came to live in Clarendon, I had a dog. We used to call him Chuck Norris. You know, from the show Chuck Norris? Yeah, I had a dog we called Chuck Norris. It was really tiny, but yeah, he died maybe about 3 years after I arrived here.
and I was so heartbroken as well because he was such a good dog, really good dog. And where are you from? I'm from Jamaica, right? My mom is from Clarendon. My dad is from Manchester. I was born in Manchester, so yeah, I'm a Manchester girl. What's your height? I'm 5'8". I wear heels a lot sometimes, so people may think I'm taller, but either way, I have really long legs, which is one of my best features for me anyway. I really love that. What's your shoe size? Wow. For trainers, or as we say in Jamaica, crepe, I wear 5.5. And for that here, in England, it's a size up from Jamaica, or I think anywhere else in the world. So there's like a size up. So for 5.5 is 4.5 in Jamaica with the size here. And then if I'm wearing sandals or slippers, as we'll say, I'll wear 6 just to give my toes some room. And then if I'm wearing heels, I tend to wear 6.5 just because I don't want my foot to be squeezed up. So yeah, but my size is 5.5, 6. That's my size. What's your favorite public transport? If I don't say train, Trayvon will kill me. If I don't say train, Trayvon will definitely kill me. So I will say a train. I really love the train. We get so excited about it. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to do 2 more and then we'll go into something else. What would be your dream holiday? Wow. To be honest to you, my partner is from Hungary and I really want to go to Hungary. Okay, we were meant to go this year. We were planning to go this year, but obviously because of the coronavirus, we can't go. But my dream holiday would be in Hungary. I've heard about their, we have one in Jamaica where it's a mineral bath and they have the best, and I want to be there. And I would love to be there with him and my kids and just enjoy. So that would be my dream holiday. And then one more. What food do you love the best? I will have to say curry chicken. Sweet potato, cornmeal dumpling. Let me stress it, cornmeal dumpling. If it's white dumpling, I don't need it. Honestly, I don't. Cornmeal dumpling, and I'll have yam with it. That is my utmost favorite meal. So, let me just wet my palette. Yeah, so a lot of, I've been getting a lot of subscribers. I've gotten a lot of DMs and messages from people, you know, and have a nice channel and everything like that. I'm getting a lot of support, but a lot of people don't really know me, and I want everybody to be okay with me and understand where I'm coming from and why I made these things that I made. I am a self-motivated person. I don't really even need anybody to motivate me. I can be like down in 0 in 1 minute, and the next you'll be like, oh my God, Avenita, what happened? You know, did somebody give you like a shot of brandy or something? But no, this is me. So when I decided I want to make Avas Luxury for Less, I was thinking to myself, you know, there's a lot of stuff that people throw away. There's a lot of stuff that people decided, oh, I don't need it, I'll put it down, but then you don't really go back to it. So when I looked at some of the stuff that I have here, and I'm thinking, okay, I could do this with it and I can do that, but I could show it on my channel to show people what they could do with it instead of throwing it out. As you guys can see, actually this makeup table, okay, it's not the perfect makeup table, but trust me, I am so much in love with it because it was just an idea that I had in my head and I just went straight ahead at it and I love it so much. I mean, I do need to do a little bit more of adjustment onto it, but I still love it. So basically what my channel is about is how to reuse stuff, recycle stuff, and get the best out of stuff before you decided to throw it out. Recycle, upcycle, make over, and the DIY, do it yourself. That is what DIY stands for. Just basically just try to do stuff for yourself without going out and spending a lot of money. And also a tip for you guys, next time you go out, look at an item that you really like. It could be a decorative item, it could be a pillow or anything at all. And small, let's just start small and just think to yourself, you know what? I want to try and make this. And trust me, when you make it yourself, just look at it, take a photo or video it just to be sure that you have all the details correctly. And trust me, once you do that and go home and look at it again and think, oh my God, they're charging me like £25 for something that cost me £5. And that £20, I don't skimp on food. Okay, I'm quite slim, but I do not skimp on food. Don't be fooled. I eat a lot. I eat a lot. So please don't be fooled. But what I'm saying, that £20 can go towards you buying food rather than spending it to buy something and then, you know, a couple months down the line you decide, oh, I don't really need it. But if you make it, you'll appreciate it more. I don't want to tell you how much time my children think, mom, you know, can I? And I'm like, no. And they take care of stuff when I make it because they realize that I put my energy into it. And then when I introduce them to it, they're like, oh, I didn't know that. So you see, you always gain not just respect, but you get a sense of purpose that what you're doing is respect as well. So that's the reason, one of the reasons why I did, well, that is the main reason why I did Avas Luxury for Less and More. And then also, in terms of me not really dealing with YouTube this much, when I started YouTube because of the passing of my dad. That's, again, as I said, a lot of people don't really know me, and this is one of the reasons why I'm doing this video. My dad passed away in 2018 from lung cancer, stage 4 lung cancer, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Now I'm talking to you, and I'm just trying to hold it together so I don't cry. But I needed something to divert my thinking. I couldn't sleep. I was constantly depressed and everything. And I just think, okay, I need to do something. So doing the YouTube video, I wasn't interested. I was just doing it just to get something out, you know, so I don't really think this much. And then I used to try to do as much as videos as I can, but I wasn't putting in my soul and everything into it. And then coming into this year, I found out I was pregnant. And then unfortunately, we lost the baby. But after that, it kind of just gave me like a whole different perspective of how I want to look at things. And then my partner Gabo, oh my dear, I don't want to go into it, but trust me, he's such a very, 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 I can't say enough, very inspirational person. He's so kind. He's always pushing me, even when I say to him, baby, oh sorry, we call each other boo boo. And I was like, boo boo, I don't want to do it. And he's like, no, you have to. So, you know, shout out to Gabo. He's my rock, that huge rock that you can just lean on and give all that, you know, the nagging, the headache, the cries, the tears, everything. And he's been there. So he just said to me, now is the time for you to do something. And with this lockdown, just try to focus more on it. So I would say I start YouTube officially in April of this year. But I'm really loving the affection, or I should say the reflection that you guys have shown me. I really love the fact that you guys subscribe to my channel, even though you don't really know me. And then also the fact that you comment and you're there every week to check out my videos. That is so cool and awesome, and that's the reason why I decided, no, I have to do this video today. So guys, as I said to you before in the first part of this, that I will be doing a YouTube video, a YouTube channel. So this one will continue to work, Avas Luxury for Less and More, obviously, but I want to do a video to document my family. I am a family person. You will see from my video, I love family time. I'm a sucker for family videos. If you want to see me just curl up in the bed for the whole day, let me watch family videos. That's just me. And in terms of photos, videos and everything, Gabo is like that and I'm like that. At the moment, I think I have 19,000 photos on my phone. I don't want to talk how many videos, and this is just family stuff. And I want to share it with you guys so you guys can create your own journey. I mean, I'm not saying that you guys are not doing it, but sometimes it's good to have an influence or to see somebody doing it and you can do it yourself. I mean, we'll be getting up to a lot of jokes. Yeah, I love to joke. A lot of people think he's quite serious, and this is one thing that people think, oh my God, he's got so many piercings, he's got tattoos, he's got this, and he doesn't look like he's that kind of person. But trust me, he's so sweet. He's so sweet, so sweet. So guys, the video or the channel will be up next week. I will once I do my video or introduction, I will relate to the video and leave a link in it. Well, not this video, but next week's video. And then you guys can check me out in there and, you know, subscribe and follow and share and all these things. Also, my Instagram account is already up because this is my personal account that I use, but I'll be changing it around to the new YouTube channel, to amalgamate with the new YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for sitting down with me today. Thank you so much for spending the time with me, and also just to go through a few little stuff with me. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share. I would so appreciate it if you share, to be honest to you, so much. So please share with your family and friends. Share on Facebook, share on Instagram, anywhere, just share it, right? And then also comment below the video and let me know what you think. Also, I will be going back to my DIYs next week. I don't want to go too far up because I want to keep everybody, I don't want people to, as I said last week, I don't want people to believe that I'm trying to create something where they can't follow. I want people to follow because this is what I'm about, the DIY, the makeover, the upcycle, the recycle, all these things. So I want to keep it to a point where everybody can follow, and if you want to make something from it, and also you could learn something from it. So that's it for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out my playlist below. It is called 2020 playlist, right? So please check it out, guys, and I'll see you next Thursday. Thank you. Bye bye.